I'm now going to show you how to make cappuccino at home. So first thing you're going to have to do is to heat up some milk, and while you're doing that you can make yourself a homemade pizza as well, so that will make you think you're in Italy. Also you're going to need some other things such as coffee, one of these cafetiere things, a bottle and a funnel. Now if you use the funnel, always make sure you give it a good clean out after using it to put diesel in your car engine. Now you're supposed to give the coffee a good pat down when you put it in this thing. I don't know the reason for that, but that was something I learned in Italy. Once the milk is relatively hot, but not boiling, you put it into the bottle there using the funnel. Now, next thing to do is to find the lid, put the lid on. Now this milk needs to be with a lot of fat in it. This comes from a cow. You probably think most milk comes from a cow. Well no, it doesn't. Some comes from a goat. And most of it though comes from a shop. Now this came directly from the farmer, so it's going to be about what, 4.5%, maybe even greater in fat. And you need to have as much fat as possible, otherwise this won't work. I learnt this in Sicily. So now getting that, you give it a really good shake, and it's hot. Oops. So really, that's too hot. Have to hold it like this. Really good shake. Now we tried this in one of these bottles. Yeah, there you are. A bottle like this, which is apple cider vinegar. Unfortunately it didn't work very well because of the pressure going up through here, through the top. So we need a bottle like this, and it obviously needs to be glass, not plastic. So you give it a really good shake. Then, oh okay, put the coffee on. Alright, so giving it a good shake, and then we try and get the thing open, and then we pour this in here, and then the coffee goes in. Spilling, of course, half of it on the table. I don't know how to do these funny faces that some people do in coffee. Now if anybody from the Nobel Prize Committee would like to speak to me, please do so via my website. I am expecting a Nobel Prize for services to the coffee industry for this great discovery.